Fields and trees, gliding gently with the breeze. In the dance of clouds so free, a world unfolds in harmony. But down below, that's so keen, a man with a bow, a watchful sheep. He draws the string with steady hand, a hunter's heart across the land. Fly, little bird, to the edge of the sun. Feel the wind beneath you as you run. Touch the above the fear, for the sky is yours, the path is clear. The arrow flies, a whisper in the air, the bird twists quick in a daring flare. Through the branches, swift and spry, with a flick of wings, it climbs the sky. The archer watches, his aim was true, but the bird escaped into the blue. A lesson learned in the morning's glow, freedom's dance is hard to overthrow. Fly, little bird, to the edge of the sun. Feel the wind beneath you as you run. Touch the arrow, rise above the fear. For the sky is yours, the path is clear. The path is clear. The archer watches, his aim was true, but the bird escaped into the blue. A lesson learned in the morning's glow, freedom's dance is hard to overthrow. Fly, little bird, to the edge of the sun. Feel the wind beneath you as you run. Touch the arrow, rise above the fear. For the sky is yours, the path is clear. The bird still flies,